make us look good.
Yeah, way good, awesome, right? So, first one. So, tell us a little bit about yourself. Before meeting Infinite Wealth, what did you find your future look like?
Well, we were newly married, so we didn't have much of a financial future, but we had a lot of possibilities.
Yeah, I think for both of us, we both have good work, but I definitely wanted to invest in property, but I just didn't know exactly how to do it. So it was kind of cloudy, our financial future, and I just wanted to get that security, that knowledge. So it was just kind of in the air, didn't know what to do initially.
Awesome. So what changed when you met Tim and the Infinite Wealth team?
I know Alex was definitely inspired because he went home and read a lot of different audiobooks, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. See, I remember it. He was really inspired to change our future, especially being so young. He wanted us to have a good start to find financial security.
Yeah, definitely. I think it just got me excited about property and investing, and it got me more into that mindset of, this is actually going to happen, and like Infinite Wealth can be that path, that road to.
And it's so easy and achievable. That's what I didn't realize it was so easy.
Awesome. So what's been your experience like with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
Really simple, easy. I'm not financially savvy. This one is. And I love the fact that all the numbers made sense. I felt supported and safe in the process. And it was really simple.
Yeah, I think that's the key to it. It was simplistic. Everything was explained very well to a level that we can understand, and it made sense. And I think that's what was really important to us.
Awesome. Really cool. And so what does your financial future look like now?
Big possibilities. We've started, we've been for about a year now, and we've got our first investment property, and it's looking really promising. Growth is going well, and in a year we'll have our next one, so it's exciting.
Yeah, I think because this first property was cheap and it's giving a good rental yield, better than what we expected, I think the future is looking promising to get another property soon, and if that trend continues, then we should be able to build property asset base very quickly, which would give us good leverage for the future. So our financial future is looking very promising in that respect.
Perfect. And so would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Absolutely. And we already have. We've tried to get his dad into it, sisters and brothers, because it's so easy to do. People don't realize how it is. They say, "Oh, that's awesome in retrospect, but I can't do that." Well, that's not for me. But it is. It's for everyone. Absolutely.
Yeah. A lot of people, when they think of investing in properties, they think you need high cash flow, high income to do it. But you just need a little bit of a start. And then for this strategy, it's not heavy cash flow dependent. So it's very manageable for even those who can't save up that much money. And yes, we have already recommended our family and some of our friends. And we'll keep doing that.
So if you're watching this, do it.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.